Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So the US dollar Canadian did break structure. I mean, it didn't break it with a lot of momentum yet, at least, but it definitely is a little bit of a break. Definitely tells me that this whole move from here to here is over. This whole move down most likely is either an A or a 1 on like the weekly time frame. That means that more than likely this whole move up we're seeing is either a corrective wave B or a corrective wave 2. A B or a wave 2 is traded exactly the same, which is basically looking for longs on sort of time frames until you get a nice Fibonacci bounce. And a wave B and a wave 2 can go to literally any one of these Fib levels. So we definitely don't want to say that this is over now. It potentially could make a way larger pullback lasting several more weeks before it actually goes down for either a wave 3 or a wave C. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely did get a nice impulsive down on Friday. We definitely did get a break of structure. It looks like a wave one, two, three, four, and five. So we know for sure that this pullback, this trend from here to here is over. We don't know whether this is going to turn into a trend reversal, doing something like this, or whether this move down is just a pullback to the last move up like this. I would definitely be keeping an eye on this move up right here, though. If you get one wave down, wave A, another wave up, wave B, and then down again, wave C, and then it respects a fib level, whether it's a 61 or 78, turns back up, that is the sign that it's going to continue the uptrend. On the other hand, if it does go down and break this low down here, to me, that means we have a much bigger reversal on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.